Now the next is baculoviruses. They are very important. This is important topic. Baculoviruses, they are viral pathogens which attack mainly insects and arthropods. But these baculoviruses are species specific and they show no negative impact on plants, mammals, birds, fish and non-target insects. यानी application of a particular baculovirus will kill a particular insect and arthropod only. If they are sprayed, they are utilized as biocontrol agents in the fields. तो ये सिर्फ उन्हीं इंसेक्ट्स और आर्थ्रोपोड्स को ख़त्म करेंगे जिसके वो स्पेसिफिक हैं. बाकी प्लांट्स को, मैमल्स को, वहाँ पे आने वाले फील्ड्स में आने वाले बाकी बर्ड्स को, या एक्वेटिक प्लांट्स हैं तो फिशेस को, या दूसरे इंसेक्ट जिनको वो नुकसान नहीं पहुँचाते, इन सब पर कोई नेगेटिव इम्पैक्ट नहीं होगा. दे विल बी हार्मफुल ओनली फॉर देयर स्पीशीज, specific species. This becomes very desirable when beneficial insects are being conserved in overall integrated pest management program. यानी कि जब हम एक क्रॉप फील्ड में सिर्फ हार्मफुल इंसेक्ट्स को किल करना चाहते हैं और जो यूजफुल हैं या बेनिफिशियल हैं उनको हम कंजर्व करना चाहते हैं इंटीग्रेटेड पेस्ट मैनेजमेंट प्रोग्राम में, then baculoviruses, they are used and an ecologically sensitive area is being treated. Ecologically sensitive area means where already the number of species is decreasing day by day. We want to remove only the harmful ones and preserve the useful ones. Next is bioherbicides. Bioherbicides, they are the organisms which are used to control weeds. For example, smoother crops. These are the crops which do not allow weeds to grow nearby. There are some trees, अगर आप ध्यान से देखेंगे हमारी कैंटीन के पीछे जहाँ पे एक बेंच बना है वहाँ पे एक बहुत बड़ा ट्री है, अगर आपको याद आए तो उस पेड़ के नीचे का एरिया देखो, देयर इज़ नो ग्रास, ओनली द सॉइल कैन बी सीन. तो वो जो ट्री है उसके रूट से कुछ ऐसे माइक्रो ऑर्गेनिज्म वहाँ है. दे आर द स्मूदर क्रॉप्स विच रिलीज सम केमिकल्स इनटू द सॉइल विच डज नॉट अलाउ द वीड्स टू ग्रो. They are the crops which do not allow the weeds to the grow. For example, barley, rye, sorghum, sunflower, millet, alfalfa and soybean, etc. These crops eliminate weeds through chemicals. They are released by their roots only. और crop rotation with these crops naturally reduces weeds. यानी पहले आप कोई crop लगाएं, फिर smoother crop लगाएं, then another crop. Alternately they are grown with the smoother crops and this helps in reduction of weeds temporarily or even permanently. Then induction of species specific insects which feed on the weeds. There are some insects which feed on weeds और जो इस तरह से जो है weeds को destroy करने में help करेंगे. For example, insect Lactoblastic cactorum, which in India and Australia it reduces the weeds near Opuntia, and Chrysolina beetles in USA, they are used as biocontrol agents. Now the last is bioinsecticides. Biological agents which are used to control harmful insects, they are called bioinsecticides. Examples are predators and parasites and pathogens. यानी कि some living organisms, they which are predator by nature, they will act as bioinsecticides. यानी ladybird beetle and praying mantis, they eat upon some of the insect pest species. यानी ये जो bioinsecticide का काम कर रहे हैं, कैसे कर रहे हैं? As predator. Some nucleopolyhedrovirus, they act as parasites or they act as pathogens to other insect pests and then help in killing them. For example, baculovirus, which controls cotton bollworm, Baculothuringiensis, it controls cabbage cowper, Entomorpha ignobilis, a fungus. It acts as a parasite or pathogen for green pea aphid of potato, and Beauveria bassiana, it acts as a parasite or pathogen for potato beetle and codling moth. यानी ये these microorganisms, they act as parasite or pathogen, यानी ये दूसरे इन इंसेक्ट्स की बॉडी में कैसे रहते हैं, पैरासाइट या पैथोजन की फॉर्म में, और इंसेक्ट्स को डिस्ट्रॉय करते हैं, एंड दस दे एक्ट एज बायो इंसेक्टिसाइड एजेंट्स. Few other examples are Azadirachtin, which is obtained from neem, and it kills Japanese beetle and leaf-eating pest. Rotenons, which are obtained from root of Deris elliptia. It shows no harmful effect on warm-blooded animals. Squill, which is obtained from red variety of sea onion, it kills, which it is effective on, not given. Pyrethrum, it is obtained from inflorescence of chrysanthemum, and it is used to kill fly spray, aerosols, mosquito coils, etc. Thureous sickle, which is obtained from Bacillus thuringiensis, it kills the moths and flies. Transgenic plants, which are obtained by inserting a gene of Bt into the crops like cotton, they help to kill the various insects. And plants, अगर हम इसमें ये Bt जीन किसी क्रॉप में डाल दें तो प्लांट्स दे डेवलप नेचुरल रेजिस्टेंट टू पेस्ट, यानी उन पर फिर जो है वो इंसेक्ट पेस्ट अपने आप से आते ही नहीं हैं. That's all about chapter 10, microbes in human welfare.